After device replacement is set up, how should you expect it to work? This video goes over the details and provides a quick example. If an AL1x sensor or device fails and is replaced by the same part number again, the stored parameters are written to the device and no further changes are required. If any changes are made via the push buttons or the Maneo software, the write is accepted initially, and then moments later, they are overwritten by the stored parameter set on the port of the master. Making parameter changes to the sensor again would be to go to module properties, inhibit the module again, go to your controller tags. We'd have to put a 0 here, enter. We're going to uninhibit, right? So this is clearing the device replacement setting. Right, then we're going to go and inhibit. So the 0 is already here, right? So that's turning it off. We're going to inhibit again. Yes. Go back to your controller tags. Make this a 4. Make this whatever the part number is. Let's say 650. All right, enter. Now we're going to come back to module properties. And before you do this, last bit right here, you're going to want to make sure that the parameters on the part number are what you want them to be, because when we uninhibit and apply, that's going to store that new parameter set for that device on the master.